everyone. If you're gearing up for an SAP FICO interview and wondering how to nail those questions with confident answers, this video is for you. We'll cover the top 15 most frequently asked questions in SAP FICO with practical answers that sound just like you're sitting in front of an interviewer. Let's make sure you walk in ready to impress, so grab a notepad and let's dive in. 1. Can you briefly explain what SAP FICO is? Sure. SAP FICO stands for Financial Accounting, FE, and Controlling, CO. It's the core module used for financial reporting, accounting, and internal cost control in SAP. FE deals with external financial reporting like balance sheets, P&M, L, etc., while CO helps with internal reporting like cost centers, profit centers, and budgeting. 2. What are the main components of SAP FE? The key components include general ledger accounting, accounts payable, accounts receivable, asset accounting, bank accounting, and special purpose ledger. Each plays a vital role in handling different financial functions. 3. How is the general ledger, GL, used in SAP? The general ledger is the central repository of all accounting data. Every financial transaction posts to the GL. It supports real-time integration with other modules like MM and SD, and it forms the basis of the balance sheet and profit and loss statement. Let's jump into another commonly asked question. 4. What is a chart of accounts and how is it used? A chart of accounts, COA, is a list of all GL accounts used by an organization. It acts as a framework for financial reporting. We assign a COA to the company code, and it can be operational, group, or country-specific depending on reporting needs. 5. Can you explain what a company code is? From my experience, the key point here is a company code is the smallest organizational unit in SAP for which a complete, self-contained set of accounts can be maintained. It's the legal entity in SAP where all financial transactions are posted. 6. What is the difference between a company code and a business area? A company code is a legal entity, while a business area is used for internal reporting across multiple company codes. Business areas help generate segment-level financial statements, which is useful when departments function like individual profit centers. Let's see another scenario-based question you might face. 7. What are the steps in the procure to pay, P2P, process in SAP FICO? Let me break this down step by step. The P2P process includes purchase requisition, purchase order creation, goods received, invoice verification, payment processing. From a FICO perspective, it mostly involves invoice posting and vendor payment. 8. What is a fiscal year variant in SAP? A fiscal year variant defines how the financial year is split, for example, 12 months or periods. It can be calendar-based or non-calendar-based, and it helps define posting periods and period-end closing activities. 9. What is the difference between a posting period and a fiscal year? A posting period is a specific time frame, like a month, within the fiscal year during which financial entries can be posted. The fiscal year is the entire accounting year. It can be the calendar year or a different 12-month period. 10. What is an internal order in SAP CO? An internal order is a cost object used to monitor costs for a specific activity or short-term project. It helps track expenses and can be settled to other cost objects like cost centers or assets. Here's a high-impact question that's worth practicing. 11. Can you explain what a cost center is? A cost center is an organizational unit within controlling where costs are incurred. It allows tracking and controlling costs in specific departments like HR, IT, or production. It's crucial for internal reporting and budgeting. 12. How do you perform automatic payment in SAP? We use transaction F110 to execute the automatic payment program. It selects due vendor invoices and processes payments based on defined parameters like payment methods, company codes, and vendor accounts. It can generate payment files or print checks automatically. 13. What is asset accounting in SAP FICO? Asset accounting, FIA, handles the entire life cycle of fixed assets from acquisition to retirement. It manages depreciation, asset transfers, and asset reporting, and it's fully integrated with GL. 14. What is the use of a reconciliation account? A reconciliation account links subledgers, like customer or vendor accounts, to the general ledger. You can't post directly to it, all postings happen through subledgers. It ensures real-time integration and accurate financial statements. 16. How do you handle foreign currency transactions in SAP? Foreign currency transactions involve automatic currency conversion using the exchange rates maintained in SAP. We define exchange rate types, and the system posts both the local and foreign currency values for transparency and reporting. And that wraps up our top 15 SAP FICO interview questions and answers. I hope this gave you a clear idea of how to answer confidently and practically, just like in a real interview. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, drop your thoughts or questions in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more practical interview prep, tech tutorials, and career tips. Hit that bell icon so you never miss a new video. Thanks for watching, and all the best in your SAP FICO journey.